so special, right?
The boards too? Yep. The marking boards?
Everything.
How did you show them your pictures?
Special. So special. I got on wayfair.com, right? We're online right now. $14. We're online everywhere. We did a show now. The office is here. You know the office here in Kirkfield? That's where our office is. All our parts here, warehouses here, everything's here, yeah. Oh yeah. We deliver from the internet, yep. But this one, that's what I got left there. That's machines I sold already. Whoa. Everybody's buying this idea about the bagless machines. Bag machine. All you just take it out. It's got a little opening at the bottom. Open up, dump your dirt in the garbage. No more washing out the bin and bagless stuff like that. And then the idea of power. That'll pick up dirt or pet hair. Right. 6 pounds. Woo. 6.5 pounds.
You should ask Joanne if she wants me.
And I'll even deliver it to your car. That's what I got left
You
there.
invented that yourself.
I'm the man. Yeah, Mickey Rooney.
Mickey Rooney.
I'm serious. Check myself online. Who I am. I did the Las Vegas show in February. I did the home store show. I'm on Good Morning America. Go to YouTube, you'll see me on there. I did Good Morning America show, Wall Street Journal, Time Magazine.
You have a good line too. Good salesman.
I love the product. But you gotta believe what yourself. I know this machine here is the lightest machine in the world. That is lightest. You turn that machine on, it's weightless.
You know what's the biggest problem? I'll be honest with you. The storage. Where do we keep it?
It's pretty small. I don't know how you keep it back in your house. That's as small as I've